Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is on the best microfiber car drying towel. This list is the result of detailed research and hands-on testing, considering features, pricing, quality, and brand reputation. Make sure to check the description below for more details and up-to-date pricing. We've included all the links in the description below. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Starting at number 5, meet the USANOOKS Microfiber Cleaning Cloth. Data-backed cleaning wizard. 12.5-inch squares, big enough to handle messes, small enough for ninja moves. Each cloth is 2.5 millimeter thick like a cleaning sumo wrestler. Grip root weave traps 8 to 10x its weight. Goodbye runaway spills. Imagine plant roots but thirstier. These cloths drink up grime fast. 1,200 plus washes per cloth, enough to outlast your favorite TV series. And that's 3.27 years of cleaning, longer than most gym memberships last, 4 times more absorbent than cotton, no more sad, soggy towels, no lint, no scratches, no pilling. Your car stays prettier than your ex's new ride. Rapid dry layers mean streak-free, mirror shine results every time. Overlock braided stitching, like armor for your cleaning adventures. Safe for cars, kitchens, bathrooms, and even your mother-in-law's antiques. Eco-friendly and reusable, Mother Earth sends her thanks. Try grip root technology risk-free for 30 days. No cleaning regrets. USANOOKS. The only towel that works harder than you do? Buy the 12-pack and let the cleaning marathon begin. Number 4. HOMEXCEL Car Drying Towels. Think all towels leave streaks or scratches on your car? I'm a professional auto detailer with years of experience. Most towels either miss water spots or damage delicate finishes. Cheap towels can cause swirls or lint, ruining your shine. That's why I recommend HOMEXCEL Car Drying Towels. These are crafted from premium, ultra-soft microfiber. They absorb water instantly, leaving no streaks behind. The plush, thick design glides smoothly over paint and glass. No scratches, no lint, just a flawless high-gloss finish. Reinforced edges mean these towels last wash after wash. I've used them on cars, trucks, RVs, even boats. They're large enough for quick drying, saving you time. Perfect for detailing, but also great for home cleaning. Don't risk your vehicle's finish with ordinary towels. Choose HOMEXCEL for professional results every time. Upgrade your car care. Try HOMEXCEL Car Drying Towels today. Number 3, Blackline Car Drying Towel. Tired of water spots and endless drying towels after every wash? Let's talk about the Blackline Car Drying Towel, my new detailing essential. Reason 1, it dries your entire car in just one pass. No more switching towels or going back over missed spots. One towel, one job. Reason 2, 0 streaks, spots, or scratches, just a flawless, shiny finish. The twisted loop microfiber glides smoothly, protecting your paint every time. Reason 3, ultra-absorbent 1300 GSM microfiber absorbs over 8 pounds of water. Seriously, this towel is a water magnet, no drips left behind. It's extra large, 2 feet by 3 feet, so you cover more area faster. Professional detailers swear by it, and now I do too. No ceramic coating? No problem, this towel works on any vehicle. Perfect for car owners, auto detailers, or weekend car care warriors. Ready to level up your car drying game? Grab your Blackline Car Drying Towel now. See the difference yourself. Don't settle for less. Treat your car to pro-level care today. Hit the link and make drying your car a breeze. Number 2, Chemical Guys, Woolly Mammoth Large. Think any towel can dry your car safely? Think again. I'm a professional detailer with years of car care experience. Most towels leave streaks or even fine scratches on paint. Improper drying causes swirl marks and dulls your car's shine. Let's talk about the Chemical Guys Woolly Mammoth Towel. This towel is massive, 36 by 25 inches, 1 inch thick. It holds over a gallon of water in one pass. The 70-30 microfiber blend is ultra soft and scratch-free. Premium silk banding protects all edges from snagging or scratching. Watch. I dry this entire SUV with just one towel, no streaks. Leftover dirt gets trapped deep within the plush fibers. It's safe for all cars, trucks, RVs, even delicate finishes, not just for cars. Use it for pets, spills, or home cleaning. Chemical Guys is trusted by beginners and pros worldwide. Upgrade your drying routine. Choose the woolly Mammoth today. Visit the Chemical Guys store on Amazon. Click follow for more tips. Number 1. ExoForma Mega Car Drying Towel. Tired of endless drying and streaky car finishes? Meet the ExoForma Mega Car Drying Towel, your new car care essential. Imagine, you wash your car ready for a flawless shine. With one towel, dry your entire car, no wringing needed. This isn't just any towel, it's 1200 GSM double twist microfiber. Ultra absorbent, holds up to 9 pounds of water effortlessly. No more water spots, no streaks, no scratches, just pure shine. Edgeless, double-sided design glides smoothly across paint and glass. Buff your windows crystal clear in a single swipe. Ditch paper towels and soggy rags. Choose premium microfiber. Large 24-36 size covers every inch, fast and easy. Cut drying time dramatically, just like the pros do. Durable for hundreds of washes. Eco-friendly and cost-saving. Upgrade your car care routine with confidence, satisfaction guaranteed. Ready for a spotless, gleaming car every time. Try the ExoForma Mega Car Drying Towel today. Your car deserves it. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. Thanks for watching.